Do you guys have any questions? Violent reactions?
Yan guys, simula na guys.
Cheers, cheers.
Show their beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes.
Hey Colin, say hi, say hi. Say hi, say hi. Hey.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, samahan niyo ako sa adventures ko. Actually, I don't know if it's adventures, but it's gonna be another Austin fun-filled weekend. By fun, meaning first, samahan niyo ako mag-work from home tayo dito. We are stuck actually dito sa bahay kasi ang sobrang gloomy dito sa Austin ngayon. And second, we are gonna have Korean barbecue tomorrow. Let's go! Ang tagal ko na nakapag-Korean barbecue. It's gonna be with Peewee and friends. And third is paintball tayo. Paintball ba yung tawag niyan? It's our first time doing that and hindi siya advisable especially sa akin kasi you're gonna get bruised. I'm gonna get bruises. Pero yeah, it's our first time. Wear na tayo ng protective gear and wear thick clothing and stuff. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Yun yung agenda natin. But yeah, ito lang yung setup natin. I usually just work dito, di ba? Kasi maganda yung lighting. Yung dalawang laptops natin, yung isang laptop ko nandun. It's gonna be an hour, long presentation. Excuse me. But I'm not gonna take you with me. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you some clips. And the topic for this presentation is building resilience. Tas i-update ko kayo. We can start, but first of all, thank you guys for coming in. To start off, what is resilience? So by basic definition, being resilient or like resilience in itself is our ability to adapt and recover and thrive in the face of adversity. I think that's it. We're done. And Q&A. Do you guys have any questions? Violent reactions? Hi, finally. Tapos na. I am free. Ano na, weekend na. So yeah, pinas forward ka na lang. Pero yung topic namin is build your resilience. We talked about what is resilience, types of resilience, and how to become resilient. So I don't know if you guys know what resiliency means, pero it's basically, in a basic sense, it's our ability to bounce back from adverse events. Ika nga, sabi nga nila, fall down 7 times, stand back 8, di ba? As Filipinos, we're very resilient. Kahit ilang beses na tayong na-colonize, na-conquer, still somehow find a way to become, as a nation, find a way to become a nation, a sovereign nation. Yung tropical storms or typhoons. We have gone through a lot of those. Ano ba to? Group topic na ba to? Pero yun lang. It's just amazing na mention nga ng isang team lead, shout out to Annie. Mention nga niya na like countries who have been colonized daw are very resilient. And parang ako agad, Philippines, di ba? Philippines! Kasi nga, di ba, very common yan sa atin, nagagamit natin yung term resilient tayo as a people, and I can never be more proud of being a Filipino. Again, there are things din na there's got to be a point na parang hindi na natin dapat yan na kasi resilient tayo, like we're going through a lot of these things, but yeah, especially yung flood control, di ba? Parang it came to my mind din kasi magets ko na nabagyuhan tayo as a nation, nabahaan, yun. It's fortunate na may namatay, mga ganun. It's tragedy, right? Tapos as a nation, we learn how to rebuild and stuff. But when the flood control issue came out, parang all the bad words, parang preventable pala yun. Like, preventable pala yun. Pwede palang maiwasan yun, di ba? Countless lives namatay, di ba? So, it's kind of sad. Like, it's kind of sad na only a handful of people's decision, people's greed, like, caused the deaths of countless lives, countless Filipinos. Yun na pag mapupunta tayo sa ibang bansa like sa Japan, even dito sa Amerika kahit may baha. Pero parang improvise na din yung parang well-built na din yung ibang flood control dito na infrastructures. Tapos, mapaisip ka na lang, wow, sana ganito sa Pilipinas. And I'm also speaking from someone na galing sa CDO, sa Cagayan de Oro. Tropical Storm Sendong. That was one heck of a typhoon. I was there. I was there when it happened. Thousands of people died. I think almost 2,000 people died. Dami. I remember going through the bridge, yung malapit sa amin sa Nazareth. Maraming namatay na people kasi na-wash up sila dun sa riverbanks and doon na sila na found sa bridge. It was devastating. But come to think of it, preventable pala yung mga ganun. And nag-flood control sila sa amin, but it took years and years. And if you go through CDO, it's not even the whole, only a portion of the river may flood control. And it's kind of sad na preventable, pero yeah, tama na, tayo, enough na. And sana as a people, like, we have to be resilient in a way na we develop problem solving and we just nip this in the bud. Go after those people who take advantage of the poor. Go after those people who tend to be greedy. So yeah. On to the next. So, muna ako, decompress muna ako dito. Tatawagan ko muna si Kay. And kita-kits bukas. Kasi we're gonna go Korean barbecue. Let's go! Good morning, guys. It is finally the weekend. And kakagising ko lang. And may coffee na tayo on hand. Props lang to kasi kakagawa ko lang, sobrang init. Anyways, dadalhin ko kayo mag-workout tayo dun sa gym ko na binabayaran ko. Hindi ako pumupunta masyado. But anyways, gusto ko dun kasi kompleto talaga. I don't know if I've taken you there, but I'll take you. And ewan ko kung cellphone ko lang dadalhin ko. Ayan, tas ngayong gabi pupunta tayo sa Gangnam Korean barbecue with Peewee and friends, yung Filipino friends natin. And it's gonna be fun. Tapos, look at today. Look. Hindi ko pa nabuksan. The sun is finally out. Kahapon na sobrang gloomy. So yeah, this is what Austin is like. The weather is this good, pero sobrang lamig sa labas. I think it's 55 right now. Parang medyo may cold front kasi nga 2 days na tayong umuulan. But yeah, tapusin ko muna tong coffee, tapos I'll freshen up and then let's go to the gym. So yun guys, dito na tayo sa gym na tagalan tayo kasi tumayo pa ako. Ang start na tayo bago mag-lunch time. Sige. So guys, tapos na tayo mag-workout. Yan. So, gutom. May ako post-workout pump. Pero yeah, gutom na ako. Tagalan tayo sa gym siguro. Higit tayo mga less than 2 hours. But yeah, higit 1 hour. Like more than 1 hour. I gotta eat lunch kasi I don't know if kung kayo ba pag mag-Korean, alam nyo may feast sa gabi or mag-Korean barbecue kayo or whatever. I don't know if you guys eat beforehand or do you guys fast the whole day. Pero one thing I learned, expert na tayo sa Korean barbecue or sa kainan. No? I'm just kidding. Na mas napapaganahan akong kumain pag kumain ako ng meal before going out to eat or like my pesta or my party. So, like kunwari dinner yung party or yung Korean barbecue, only buffet, whatever. Kakain ako sa lunch. Hindi naman siguro marami, pero kakain ako tapos parang warm up siya ng tiyan ko and I drink vitamins or take vitamins after. Tapos by the time kakain ako around 5 or 6 or 7, gutom na ako na, tapos gaganahan ako. But yeah, so ngayon muna tayo, palakad-lakad ako. Hiningal ako. Kakain muna tayo ng lunch tapos pahinga lang muna and update ko kayo. Yan guys. nakapag-rest na tayo. Aga tayo pupunta doon kasi nag-hangout daw sila Piwi sa isang bar. Para hindi na tayo mali, medyo gutom na rin ako. And update ko kayo, mga 30-minute drive. So medyo malayo-layo lang. Hindi ko na nga alam anong sinusuot ko ngayon eh. Asya. And guys, dito na tayo. Gangnam Korean Barbecue! Sa may highway siya. Dito na daw sila baste. Yun siya. Gangnam! Medyo mahal lang dito. Pero ilang beses na rin kami nakakain dito. So, yeah, check this out. Eh? Tchan! Ito siya sa loob, guys. Meron sila mga ano. Justin! Guys, we're here. Hi, Halo! Kagising. Guys, so dito na kami. Pakita ko sa inyo yung menu. So, ito yung menu. So, pili ka sa choice. Ano siya? $39. Signature. $49. Pause nyo na lang. That's premium. May mga difference naman pero hindi masyado ano. So, choice lang ata kami. Dito na sila. Yay!
You have the Jenny, you have the New York glow.
New York Glow? No, that's California Tan.
Okay, is it?
Yeah. Ito na rin mga banchan. Wow. Kimchi stew, kata kimchi stew. And then mga sauce.
So from dito to LA, she scored a C.
We graded her.
Umiyak for
A
like
C?
20 to 30 minute stops each time. But papalik ng Austin, A.
Is it because of the ear popping and stuff?
There was a time that I had kailangan kong tumayo. Nasa aisle ako gumagano'n. Pero may mga
Dang.
dumadaan na steward ka nag-serve ng food. I had to go to the bathroom to make way for them.
But okay naman from Austin to New York.
New York to Austin, okay siya. Pauwi.
Amen.
Hey, hello!
Yung order para sa atin dito. Let's do the meat first. Yeah. I think that's better. Same for both. You want me to order for both? Ah? Wala pa. Sige, brisket.
I'll let the store order for all of us.
Garlic pork belly.
Yeah, so alam mo yung mga tao doon. Maganda.
Tabi ako Gastin.
Ano, no?
Bata, matanda. Ito mga kurang. Tan, tapos lively. Wala akong nakitang obese.
Nakalibot naman kaya? Were you guys able to go around?
Oh yeah, everything's walkable.
Nag-order ka ng kimchi.
Dalawa ang order ko.
And it's so nice. People are nice because it's you're in a beach. Ang ganda ng
Oh,
One more?
can you ask for rice?
Babae.
Trisha, can you also ask for rice? A cup of rice? Rice. May rice ka?
Yeah, all of us.
All of us. Sarap ng broccoli. Sarap ng
Kasi
broccoli.
yung area kasi, yung Newport. Ano siya?
Cheers, guys.
Top 1%.
Ng IQ test. Yan guys, simula na guys. Steam egg over here. Oh, there's two. Thank you. Kimchi stew, steam egg. Let's go. First try.
안녕하세요.
감사합니다. Hey Nova, do you consent? Hey, the spoon, here. Lagay ko dito po. Kasi. Yeah, pati.
Cheers, cheers, cheers! Uy, di ba yung may Rincon ako? So, nalobat yung battery. Nalobat. Nasira. I just told them and they replaced it. They replaced it. So, if that, kasi yung battery niyan faulty, just tell them that they might replace it.
What, do you wash it with your hand?
Yeah, it just like goes out of like low bat quicker. Harap ng manok yo. Di pa. Gusto ko char-char. Gusto mo char-char din, Tio? Ano gusto mo ba? Basta luto.
Gawin natin, dito natin ilagay yung luto ah.
Yep.
Yo, if Jollibee goes public here, I'm gonna invest.
You're gonna invest?
Yeah. I mean, for the heck, you know. They're buying a Korean hot pot company.
Jollibee?
Yeah, they bought it already. Pero grabe ba? Like, who would have thought na magiging restaurant empire sila, no?
Oh, Jollibee.
Yeah.
Coming from where they came from.
Yeah. Like, I think whoever's handling their business strategy or whatever, magaling talaga, oh. Like, yung vision talaga, no?
And they expanded really well. They have Smash Burger. They have the Tea. The same portion?
They bought Smash Burger? No way. Yung dito sa atin?
Baba. Baba.
Luto na ata to? Luto na to?
Yan.
Ano?
Tawag nila dun sa
Anong leaf?
yung pang ano nila.
Ah, lettuce? Perilla? Perilla leaf. Yan yung ano mo? Meron sila?
You can ask for it.
If they have, yeah. Try natin to, be. Kamsahamnida. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Sarap ako eh.
You get your hand. It's like your hand. There you go. Tumama kin.
Ala, ka-cute. Marunong na siya mag-straw-straw.
So, dinidip niya yung kamay niya sa
Saan?
halo niya. Tapos inumin niya.
Di yan sinigang besh.
Batang kali.
Gusto niya na-try niya sinigang, pre? Di ba?
I think she has. Lahat ng kamay mo, no?
Lutuan ko sino ba?
Sinigang.
Hindi, wag sinigang. Anong gusto mong lutuan ko sa kanya? Na Pilipino? Na gusto mo matry?
Adobo.
Adobo? Adobo. Gusto mo adobo? Akin na to. Gusto niya adobo daw, pre. Sige, lutuan ko siya adobo. Thank you. Tortang talong. Gusto mo tortang talong? Tortang talong, Nova. Do you want? Have you had tortang talong, Jen? Tortang talong?
Yeah, I haven't had it before.
Luto tayo. Tortang talong.
It's egg, then you fill the egg wash, and then you put like ground beef.
Hindi. Talong.
Bakang talong ah.
Saan yung ground beef?
Nagalagdag ko ng ground beef yun.
Talaga? Susalens. Susalens. Ngayon ko lang yun.
Talaga?
Seryoso?
Tortang talong walang ground.
Wala, May ground beef sa inyo?
Tortang talong?
Oh?
Wala.
Susalens, oh.
Laki budget.
Si Judge Diaz, wala nga eh.
Ganun yung tortang talong namin.
Ginisang tortang talong. Ilo muna natin tong hit, brad, ah.
How do you make yours? Yung tortang talong?
Yun lang.
Egg wash.
Egg wash, lagyan ng magic syrup.
Ah.
Goods na, para nang may ginasa. Para nang may ground beef.
I've had that before.
Oh, wait, I don't understand.
Pero first time ko yan. I get the drift. Matagal ko na yung na-try din, Bicol Express.
Hindi ko
Bicol Express lately nagpakain, wala pa.
Wala pa.
Magkano?
Beef intestine, guys. Sarap niyan.
$97. Synthetic na yun.
Doon na nga rin ka nga ako.
That's faster.
Cheers, cheers. Hey guys, tapos na tayo. Hi Nova! You wanna meet my crush? Here's my crush. Are you my love? Wow, wow, wow.
What's that?
Hi, hello! Hi!
Show their beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes si Tito. Oh.
Beautiful eyes.
Oh, Nova. Where's Nova? Where's Nova?
Beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes, Nova?
Wink.
Wink, wink.
Wink, wink.
Ah, wala. Bless. Mm.
You know how to.
High five. Bye-bye. High five. Yay! Yan. Kain kayo, guys. Wow. Oy. She's pointing it. Wow, baklava.
Yun ba yung delicacy nila doon?
Ayan, parang dessert nila. Baklava. Tapos ano din, pralines. Lolo.
Ano yung pralines?
Para siyang caramel treats. Caramel treats. Pralines or pralines? Cheers. Nasagi na siya.
She's like obsessed with him and then won't let me put her down for bed.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Oh. And guys, dito tayo kina Cody tsaka Cindy. Dito. So, nag-invite sila mag movie marathon or isang movie lang. Mga 8 na. So, nag-drop by na lang ako kasi lapit lang naman ng apartment ko. May energy pa tayo slight. So, high lang tayo saglit. Tignan natin kung ano. Uhon na ako eh. So, pasok na lang tayo at sinom tayo tubig. So, malitaan ko kayo. Hi guys! Dito na tayo sa bahay. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog dun sa bahay nila Cody and Cindy. Kasi nag-usap na lang kami, nag-enjoy na lang kami. So, ngayon, pahinga lang muna tayo. Tapos, bukas tayo, mag-paintball. Ewan ko kung maka-vlog ako bukas. Parang hindi naman eh. So, check na lang natin. Kung hindi, update ko na lang kayo kung dito na natin tatapusin yung vlog. So, yun. What's up, Clayton?
We're ready.
We're ready. Guys, dito na tayo sa place. I don't think I can bring you guys, but let's just say hi to the people. Hello! What's up? I only have 2 actually. My jacket and my skin. Hello! Guys, please don't kill me. What's up? Say hi.
Hey.
What's up, man?
It's been a minute. How are you?
It's more than a minute. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, say hi to my 122 followers. Guys, I don't know if you're gonna take a video or pictures while playing, but look, this is where we're gonna shoot each other. And this is the crew right here. Look at them. So I'm layering up, look. Ang dami kong layers. Dalawang jacket. Buti na lang it's cool today. Sabi lang you can get heat stroke though. Yeah.
I'm gonna be quiet.
Yeah, I'm not hanging. I guess it's hard to know how many rounds we're in.
I think it'd be sick.
Yeah, I know, but if it's one shot you're at, or it's head.
Shoulder.
Turn around.
Soldier.
Muscle memory. Oh, it's so wet.
These are so wet.
That's committed.
I know, that's why I did this.
It's been a video this whole time.
You're some cartoon.
Pod in it. We're gonna take that full pod. We're gonna put that pod in the gun. This is your gun right here. Let me see your full pod, please. Okay. Everybody get over here.
Let's go. How many rounds in each pod?
About 140 paintballs.
140. Okay, and we'll just add more.
So I got your prize in the car. One pod in here is called the hopper. One pod will run about 2 or 3 games depending on how trigger happy you get. You can serve your ammo, you get 2 or 3 games out of that one pod.
Okay.
But if you just get out there and just start going crazy, blah, 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 it'll last a game or 2.
Okay.
It depends on, when you get hit, and when you do get hit, I'm going to ask everybody to put their guns in the air like this while you're walking off the field and walk behind people that are shooting. Don't walk in front of them.
On the line of fire.
A lot of people want to just dart out straight across the field, and if there's people over here shooting across at each other and they get hit, they're like, hey! Well, that's your fault. Man. What happened? That's your fault. You walk in front of them. What happened, man? But, I'll let everybody get their equipment. These pods, to me, the best way to wear them is behind you. That way, if you're bending down or whatever, it's not in front of you getting in your way.
Good tips.
You don't have to have all these pods full of ammo when you go out on the field.
I'll lay it up.
If you want to take one full pod, one of these full, excess weight.
Right.
Because if you put paintballs in every one of those, Ben, you're weighting yourself down.
Yo.
Call of Duty. Citizens of Gotham.
Understand, it's cool this morning, but it is humid. So this was F, not F, right? You want that on S. Okay.
Oh, you're reloading now?
That's in the safe position right there. Okay? We're going to keep the guns in the safe position. Anytime that we're out here in the safe area, and it's like 63 something for the cases. That's like
Wait, are you
500 or 1,000 paintballs.
How much are these that in the container?
Oh, sorry.
It's about 140 in each one of those.
All right, we're putting
So
ammo
that's
now.
a couple of games. Even if you get out there and get real
Do we
physical,
hold
you
these
still,
in here?
If you want. Wait, so there's no reason for us to wear the gun.
If you're going to carry extra ammo with you, and it offers some protection against getting shot.
Make sure it clicks.
We'll take breaks. Okay, we'll run a couple games. We'll decide who the teams are going to be. We'll put one team on one side, one team on the other side. I'll blow an air horn.
All right, we good.
Fight it out until either one team is gone or
All of them.
yeah, or if it gets to a point where it's a stale, where nobody wants to move up on each other, then I'll put a time limit on it, and then we'll end the match.
Cody.
Because I just can't let it run on and on and on. When you're
is all your ammo
full?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, we put it in the inside here.
Oh, just one.
Just one. Okay. Yeah. We got 140 for every person, and then after that we pay for more ammo.
But if you're not going to take your pack,
One
put
pack
the
is
orange part
140.
down
Yeah.
inside your pocket.
Wait, is it fixing on top of you or?
Huh?
No.
I don't know. I'm a hip fire.
As many, you can carry as many as you want full, but honestly, you get them from the guy. Well, you're supposed to have one full one. The rest is supposed to be. Yes. Those are just extras in case you want to purchase more ammo.
All right, guys.
And carry more out there. When you want to pour all your ammo,
Oh shit, this is heavy.
all right, if you're ready, if you're loaded already, yeah.
So it's my
Say hi, say hi. Say hi, say hi. Hey. Live.
Send me that phone. Damage, Jeff. Hi. Wait, where is it? Like here?
Right, yeah, definitely right there. And then
Yeah, I'm in the back. Dang. Wait, who got hit in the hand? Dang.
both hands, bro.
Yeah.
This is not a guy.
They're kind of minor though.
Yours is kind of. Oh, yours has blood.
Actually swelling, bro.
Where's was your worst damage, Cody? Huh? Where's was your worst damage?
Oh, my kneecap.
Oh shit.
I got it. Oh, it's not too bad.
Oh, it's not too bad. Yeah. Guys, grabe. Ang sakit matawaan.
Or black pink.
Did it hurt? Did it hurt?
This one hurt. Look at this one.
Oh shoot.
Right there.
The shin.
On the shin.
Yeah, mine. I got hit like on the head over here. Headshot. Oh, it hurt so much.
I also got a headshot. No, I got hit in the head.
Oh god. Guys, pupunta tayo ng lunch sobrang lakas ng AC, pero ay, at least at nakakatakot siya slight. Tas masakit pag matamaan ng paintball. Kung hindi pa kayo nakatry, it's worth a shot to try it. Good experience, pero bucket list. Hindi na ako ulit kasi nga, di ba, dali tayo ma-bruise. Ito nga, mga magana nga, natamaan din ako dito, so mamumula yan or magbo-bruise yan soon. So, ano natin, lunch muna kami. Balik tayo kayo. Bye! Oh, katsa! Finally got seated. Let's go! Oh, same seat as before!
Order so much.
Lucky duck! So I ordered smash burger
At the airport.
and then some fries.
Yum.
Fries are good. Yum, 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 yum. Cheers, cheers.
Dude, yeah. The sauce is so good.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Go get fries, fries.
Yeah.
Here's some fries. Alright, first bite. First
I
bite.
also got fries.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
I'm just so hungry. Like, I'm gonna eat some now and
So
then
good.
I'm gonna
Ayan guys, so we are back na sa bahay natin. What a day. What a day. Guys, kung hindi nyo pa na-try mag-paintball, kayo kung gusto nyo, try nyo. Pero, I think first and last ko na yun. Ang sobrang sakit pala matamaan. Dalawang jacket na nga sinuot ko eh. Tapos may mask pa. Tapos nag-cap pa ako. Natamaan nga ako sa ulo dito. Dito. Meron din ako dito. Ano ko kung makita nyo yan. You know. Tapos may bruise din ako dito dyan. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Natamaan ako. Tapos dito din. Sa may buto. Yung sa wrist oh. Kita nyo yan. So guys, kung gusto nyo matamaan, kayo bahala. Pero never again. Di ko na i-try. Especially tayo, masakitin. Bleeder pa tayo. Basta, yun na. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you again. Thank you sa pagsama sa akin on this fun-filled weekend. And hopefully you guys are enjoying your weekend as well. And yeah, hanggang dito na lang. Until the next one, take care and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye-bye!